I saw this post stating that up to half of worker ants are just pretending to work, and I had to find out if there was any truth in this. And it turns out that, yes, designated chiller is in fact a job title for up to 40% of ants. These same researchers then followed up to try and understand the purpose of 40% of the workers not working, and they did so by coloring each ant with 4 colored dots so that they could track every individual one of those 1,500 ants over the course of weeks as they removed workers from the colony, the most active, the least active, and a random group, to see how the proportion of active and inactive changed. And they found 2 important reserve functions for these inactive ants. The first as a reserve of workers for when there's important work to do. If you remove the most active ants in a colony, then the inactive ants leap into action and begin being some of the most active ants in the colony, now that important job functions aren't being secured. But then the second way that these ants act as reserves is as food reserves, because ants can engage in the behavior of trophallaxis, which is the mouth-to-mouth feeding of one another from liquid stores of food contained in their social stomachs, similar to like a mama bird feeding baby birds. Having a bunch of reserve workers ready to take over the important functions makes sense considering ant-to-ant wars, and the fact that I just learned that anteaters can eat up to 30,000 ants a day.